down on Government Street. And this is going to be a very quick drop off. The person lives right across the road from Starbucks. So it doesn't pay very much. It pays $4, but still that's better than nothing. I recognize this person's name. I think I've done this delivery before. And yep, we're just literally going to walk across the street. But I do remember we have to climb some stairs, so that does add a little bit of distance, the up and the down. Yes, I remember these stairs. It's kind of cool to go up this spiral staircase. It's very European. Good exercise. Here we are. Everybody love everybody. Good advice. I'll make that my mantra for today. And we're off to our next order. It's always nice not having to wait in between orders. This one is from Dumpling Drop. So here in this vacant space that's for lease, it used to be an Airbnb concierge business, and it was such a good idea. And then all of a sudden they banned Airbnbs in Victoria. So of course this concierge business went out of business. And the order's ready. That's great. Thank you. Have a good day. I remember picking up this order and thinking how light it was and wondering if she had forgot to put the food inside. Maybe it was croissants. Croissant dumplings. And the drop-off is here at this dentist office. She was nice. And we're just going by the Hudson's Bay that they've gone into their liquidation phase, but it doesn't look like the sales have really started yet in full force. Those tags read 20% off, which isn't that much of a reduction in price. And we're off to Shanxi. Shanxi biscuits. They have really good breakfasts here. It always smells good in here. And I ended up waiting here for about 15 minutes, but I cut that time out. She said, "Thank you for waiting. Have a good day." And my bike is still there. Yay. Oh, the bridge is up. We're just dropping this off at the Salvation Army. It's a shelter here. It's in such a nice part of town. And so that's what I mean by the bridge being up. Oh, and I came across this sweet guy. He's not really waving it at anybody. There's no traffic. No traffic can go through when the bridge is up. I think he was advertising a income tax business called Liberty Tax. So let's see what's going on. I walked up, tried to get close to see if I could see a very large boat that was going through, but I didn't see one. It looked like they were doing some cleaning underneath. I don't think that they would put the bridge up for that. I don't know. This is Lower Johnson Street. It's known as Lojo. It's really nice, beautiful, colorful buildings here. Taking advantage of the lack of traffic. So I'm gonna just stop off here at Market Square and go to my favorite Green Cuisine, which is a vegan restaurant where it's been in business a long time, and they make their own tofu, and so I'll often go and pick up tofu if I'm close by. Yeah, they've been in business since the late 80s, I think. Here's where I get tofu, and at the bottom they'll have 50% off like things from yesterday. So today I grabbed a slice of pizza, vegan pizza. Oh, and cut to me preparing the tofu. So I'm preheating the oven to 400. Putting down some parchment paper. There it is, the extra firm tofu. It's very liquidy, so I'll cut it over the sink, because otherwise the liquid goes everywhere, as you can see. Then I just tear it into cubes instead of using a knife to cut it. It gives it a bit of texture. And I know it's a good idea to kind of get them uniform in size, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. And I'm pouring over some olive oil, grinding some black pepper. This is the quickest, easiest way to prepare it. If I have soy sauce, I'll use that instead of salt, but I didn't have soy sauce, so I put on some salt, mix it up, spread it out. Put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, and it's ready. It varies how done I let them get. Like, depends on if I forget about them or not, and they're perfect for me.